This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the exact photos you want in order. This determines story flow. Open Photos or iMovie right away. Photos is fastest. iMovie offers trims. Tap Select and mark each image, including live photos if you want motion. Once done, set a target duration per photo. Shorter for energy, longer for emphasis. Make sure to group similar images so transitions feel smooth, and prepare one song or voiceover clip. You'll add it next to sync mood and pacing. Now you construct the timeline. Import your selected images and confirm their order. Changing order later slows you down. In iMovie, tap each clip to set duration and add transitions. In Photos, open a memory and edit length and music. Use Quick Cross to Solve for smooth flow or Ken Burns to add subtle motion and keep viewer attention. Once transition length and clip timing feel right, preview and tweak 1 or 2 clips so image centering and zoom look natural rather than jarring. Finish by adding music or a recorded voiceover. Place audio under the timeline and lower background volume so narration is clear. Check final timing against the soundtrack and trim where needed. Make sure titles or captions read long enough to be seen. Export using 1080p for good quality or select high efficiency to save space. If export stalls, try shortening one long clip, restart the app, or toggle export settings. Those quick fixes solve most issues and get you a shareable video fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.